Dark circles, under eye wrinkles, fine lines. Eyes are a concern for all of us. Learn with me, Vibhuti Arora, some dark circle reducing exercises. For my first exercise, make a V of your fingers, place them on both sides of your eyes and try to squint in the center like this. Let's do this together 6 times. Close your eyes and relax. It is not as easy as it looks and puts a lot of pressure on the eyes. Inhale and exhale. For my next exercise, you must have some lubrication and ensure that you have a lot of iron, palak, spinach in your diet. Make a hook of your index finger, apply some oil under the eye, swipe and twist this part of your under eye darkness or dark circle 20 times like this. Doing this 3 times a week is going to ensure that your dark circles reduce in color at least by 30%. For my next exercise, I want you to make a C of your thumb and your finger. Place your thumb under the eye and your index finger like this and look and open your eyes as wide as possible. While doing so, आप अपने eyebrows को lift करेंगे और index finger से eyebrow muscle को नीचे की तरफ push करेंगे. अगर कोई देख रहा है तो उनको नहीं समझ आएगा, but आपका internal intrinsic pressure will be very, very high. Opening up your eyes, bringing a lot of blood flow towards your eyeballs. Oxygenation can be felt on your eyes as well. Hold to the count of 6. Relax. Repeat. Inhale. Hold to the count of 6. And relax. Last time. Inhale. Hold to the count of 6. Close your eyes and relax. When you do this, you will know the amount of focus or pressure we bring to our under eye or dark circle area. For my last exercise, I want you to take something called as face cups because hollow under eyes and darkness को extreme correction के लिए कभी-कभी हम tools से भी support करते हैं. Face cups are basically suction-based cups that need lubrication or oil for a glide. They stick onto your skin and roll like this. Can you hear the vacuum? This is absolutely non-painful but very, very good for collagenation. These exercises, when done 3 times a week, are very, very effective for dark circles, fine line reduction, droopy eyes as well. And also they help in relaxing your eyes after excessive screen time. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. Until next time.